What's up? All right. Fucking dying here, dude. Fucking voices are cracking shit. Dude. What's up, everybody? What's happening? Wednesday, September 18th. Oh, God. FOMC, right? Fed cuts 50 basis points. First time in 4 years, right? And take a look at here, right here. Dark Defender says it all. Fed cut the interest rate by 50 basis points. First time in 4 years. We are officially in a recession. Now is the time for the bull run. Yeah, let's. I like it. All right, let's do it. All right, so what's going on? What did this announcement do today to the price of everything? I will tell you, since I've been sitting down, the market has the S&P 500 has fought back quite a bit. Just a couple minutes ago, the S&P 500 was flat. I mean, literally flat. Now it's 21, 22, pumping around. And so it's starting to pick up, which is good. So we'll look at that in a minute. But we're going to take a look at what's performing the best so far today. So let me take my main watch list here and let's sort it by percentage and let's get to work. Because again, you would expect, right, that today, FOMC, I mean, shit, it was a red news item, right? Look, red news item. So the impact, big. Big. You would expect today that things would get crazy. Well, looking at my watch list, it's not too crazy. I would like to see a bull run in the next decade, but let's see what's happening. So from a percentage standpoint, right now, it keeps flopping around. I don't know why it won't just freaking stick. Stick. Maybe I have to do it like that. Yeah, I don't know, dude. But anyway, Russell 2000 up the most right now. So this is our small caps, which that's good. We want to see it, but I'll tell you what's not good. So you can see, remember, we've been talking about this every day. That August 26 high. We popped through it during that announcement. Everything was looking super good, and now we're selling off, right? So if you know candlesticks, you could call that a bearish pin bar. You could also call that a shooting star. Shooting star is bearish, so that sucks. But it does need confirmation. It is up 18 points right now. Now you can see these percent. I'm not sure why it's not holding. Maybe I've just got to sort by that. Okay, and so Coinbase right now is actually up the most. So it's flopping around and it's changing. But Coinbase is up 1%. Well, there you go. It's flopping around. Fuck it. 0.86%. It is green. It's up a point. Still cannot get above this 8 exponential moving average. Again, I do like Coinbase. I buy stock. I sell naked puts. I do a lot of things with stocks, but I pay attention to Coinbase because Coinbase, and if you notice, look at this. Ethereum, very similar. Ethereum's down 0.95%. Again, sitting right underneath that 8. Can't do nothing. Right? Stacked moving averages to the downside. Again, it's not doing nothing. Right now, it's down 1% on the day. Shit, since we've been talking, the market's dropped. Look at S&P. We're down to 7. A minute ago, we were up 20. What the fuck, dude? This thing's on crack. But it looks very similar to that Russell 2000, right? Broke up through, sold off. So this big announcement hasn't done anything. We were hoping for a big move, right? Obviously, we were hoping for a big-ass green move, but nothing. I mean, Cardano, Cardano's up 0.60. So right this second, Cardano's actually up the most, 33 cents. But, I mean, it still isn't doing anything. S&P right now is up 3. So it's super flat. I'll probably look at some Twitter stuff later, right? Just to see what people are saying. They keep saying things like, are you still holding XRP? Well, shit. Can't go anywhere. Fuck. I mean, I'm going to hold that bitch to the end of time, right? I am gonna hold it as long as it freaking takes. Period. I think somebody up here was talking about if I sent you 10,000 XRP. Right. Yeah, XRP Queen. Yeah, we know that shit's not going to happen here. But again, let's kind of go back here. Yeah, market's just flopping around like a little noodle. So back up here, you got Cardano up the most this second, followed by the Russell 2000, small caps. We pay attention. Coinbase, S&P again, turning red. Can't get above that. I am watching it because this high is important. We need to break. Now, this is the market. So a lot of people, you know, in the crypto, they might not care about the stock market, but let me tell you, man, all these markets work together. So does the foreign exchange market. Like I trade the euro, the Japanese yen, safety currency, all this stuff works together. And we need to see the market pop up. Because if you take a look at Bitcoin, which right now is pretty flat, 60,258. Pretty damn flat. Bitcoin has been lagging like a dog. This is that August 26th high. So Bitcoin is just, you know, between this low and this high, it's about halfway. You know, that S&P, it was looking good. This was a fat green candle. Look at the fucking market. Look at this. Bring it over here. Flat. Literally nothing. Nothing. Here's some of the stocks I am looking at. I'm looking at oil, Schlumberger. I do watch gold, right? Gold actually had a nice pop up during that announcement, and then gold is now sold off. So it was looking good. It's down 1%. Starbucks, GDX, the gold miners, real estate. IYR is the ETF. Tracks real estate. Again, popped up. A lot of these popped up on the announcement. Sold off. We have some new stuff added to the list. You know, got scans everywhere. But same with silver. Look at that. God damn. Silver popped up nice. Sold off. Now you got a big old fat, nasty red candle. Roblox. Kind of there. And Kroger. So I'm just kind of looking at some of those, man. Again, I love the trade stocks, but bringing it around, we're going to obviously see how this bad boy. We got about 20 minutes before the market closes. But Bitcoin, again, 60,000. NVIDIA. NVIDIA's down also. We pay attention to NVIDIA, right? Technology sector. Very similar to the crypto market. They all work together. If you look at NVIDIA and compare it against Bitcoin, again, right now, today, it's down. Look at XRP, down the most. Somebody said if I give you 10,000 XRP. Down the most, man. And then what? Time for the bull run? What the fuck, dude? Ain't no bull run. Shit. Looks like it's going the other way. Now the market's back up 11, dude. This thing is on crack. But anyway, look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA popped up through, was looking good, sold off. You know, Bitcoin, very similar, right? Popped up through, sold off, bounced yesterday. NVIDIA hasn't bounced yet. It's still selling off. So if it's any indication about Bitcoin, NVIDIA should pop. It better. Ethereum's a dog, man. Now the market's down. Holy shit. This thing is just flopping around like a freak. Ethereum is down 23 points, 0.99%. Nothing. Can't get above that moving average. Just kind of dropping, right? XRP is the worst performer. Well, yeah. Right now, on my main watch list, XRP is the worst today, 57 cents. We popped up to 60 cents. Everybody was talking about, oh my God, this is it. This is it. No, it's not. No, it's not. What's going on? Son 2? Yeah, we got no choice. We got to hold Bitcoin, right? And again, just make sure you are watching this bad boy right here. S&P 500, Russell 2000. God, look at this nasty ass sell-off. Got to get above it and hold. If that happens, I'm feeling a lot more confident about Bitcoin. But if we really want to get, a little bit happy, not as happy as a lot of these people here, but you did have a tick up in the momentum on the TTM Squeeze Pro. So we went from negative momentum to positive. Last time it did that, we did have that pop up to 65,000. And then, again, I'm just trying to point out some positive, right? We went from negative momentum to positive, shot up to 70. Last 2 times. So right now, we're going from negative to positive. So if there's any indication, in the last 2 times that has happened, bam, bam, we have shot up. Now, we are making that lower high. You're going to probably see a lot of people draw this triangle, right? And tell you it's going to flop around, possibly. But I'm not getting rid of my Bitcoin. I'm going to hold that sumbitch as long as it needs to be held. But look at XRP getting shit, dude. Now, XRP nowhere near the high also. Nowhere near the high. The only thing I do like about it, again, same concept, right? We have this momentum going from negative to positive. So that's good. The momentum on the Radiant Fire Pro going up. We did have a buy signal. That was good. We broke through. We pulled back. Now we're just chopping around above these moving averages. We've got to get up. Now, where this is going to get exciting, I'm telling you right now, where this is going to get exciting is when, NVIDIA's got a ways to go. We break that high. So when that S&P breaks that high, takes off, Russell 2000 breaks it and takes off, then I'm going to feel really good, right? Really good that these coins are going to follow. Again, if we look at the 5-day performance, believe it or not, on the 5-day performance, Coinbase is actually up 2.55%. It's beating the Russell 2000, basically up 1%. XRP's up 0.66. The NVIDIA's down 0.14. Bitcoin's down 0.45. Ethereum, we know that's been sucking. Down 4.9. And Cardano's the worst. This is over 5 days. Okay, over this little stretch where it's just kind of chopping around, and Cardano the worst, right? Well, let's look at that. But, I'm long Bitcoin also. I'm fucking long Cardano. I'm long XRP. Shit. I am long a lot of stuff. Stellar Lumens. But I've got this main watch list that we look at. So let's go back and look at the S&P 500. And then we'll take a look at some of this other stuff. So the S&P 500 right now went red. So this 50 basis point, it didn't do nothing, man. What a boring ass move. I was expecting a big move. Now, this is a nasty shooting star. Nasty bearish pin bar. Shooting star at resistance. So we could be in for a pullback. And if that happens, shit. Because you know what else is going to happen? Crypto's going to go down. Crypto's going to go down. Man, it's going to be a lot more exciting when this finally does take off. And we can actually look at the market, see our portfolios fucking going up, Bitcoin up until... That's going to be great. But it's aggressive right now. It's getting worse as we speak. Market's down 12. S&P, actually, the S&P futures down 17. Russell 2000's gone red. So here we go. Dow Jones. Let's sort by percentage. There you go. Russell 2000 is back basically flat to green. S&P's down 14. NASDAQ down 53. Again, got to get through this high. Dow Jones 137. The Dow 30, this is the mega cap, right? The multinationals. Safety. People, when the market's going down, the Dow Jones goes down the least. When the market's going up, the Dow Jones goes up the least. Because, you know, McDonald's, ExxonMobil, Bank of America, it don't move too much. But this sumbitch is selling off again. Nothing seems to break this high. I thought we had it today, but boy, we wrong. We already looked at gold. Gold was looking good. Now, gold already popped through its high, but as you can see, it's pulling black into a flag. The VIX is down, which is kind of odd. You know, the VIX you would think is up. So, you know, that tells me this move right now, weak hands. So we could go up tomorrow depending on how it closes. Bond market down. Oil looks like Ethereum, right? Y'all remember that? Ethereum couldn't get above its moving averages, rolled over. So oil and Ethereum are pretty similar. And still, let's zoom in and let's look at that. I mean, look at that big ass candle on silver. Holy shit. So silver's taking a whooping today. Everything's going crazy, right? Everything's going crazy. So we got some more shit popping up on my list. It's flashing red, right? Bah, 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 bah. You still got 13 minutes before the U.S. stock market closes. But honestly, very disappointed. Very disappointed. Who's still holding XRP? Again, we got no fucking choice. Okay, well, officially in a recession, the market's going down. Time for a bull run. That bull run's not today. Largest asset manager, Vivek BlackRock, just published a bullish Bitcoin report before today. Well, guess what? People have been bullish on Bitcoin for a long time. Now, it has went up. You know, you can go, well, shit. We just can't get above that. I mean, it was down in the gutter back in January, and then it had that nice run up, right, to 73. But it's kind of done absolutely nothing. So people have been talking about a bull run. So BlackRock saying they just published a report. I don't give a damn what they say because apparently it doesn't mean nothing. I'm going to go back to the S&P. I'll bring it back. S&P's now down 15, getting worse as we speak. In about 6 hours, XRP to $60. When was that? That was 12 hours ago. Well, guess what? That doesn't look like it happened. That doesn't look like it happened. XRP. Where's XRP? XRP is right now 57 cents, right? Let's make sure it's 57 cents. Yeah. So guess what? That prediction didn't happen. All right, BitBoy. Dang. 50 basis points cut. Told y'all they were going to okie dokie us. You're right, BitBoy, because the market is getting more ugly by the second. Now the S&P's down 14. Gonna zoom back in so we can actually see this fucker. Again, right there at resistance. Nasty shooting star. Bitcoin's dropping, Ethereum is dropping, XRP's dropping, Russell 2000's even dropping. Cardano, which has been a dog, is hanging in there. So, yep, BitBoy, you got it. Amonix, they will call me crazy until everything happens, but that's okay. You know what? One day, it's got to happen, right? It's got to. One day. And they're going to call us all crazy. They're going to call us all crazy when that day happens. Huh? They are going to call. Oh, God. Look at this shit, dude. And 50 basis point rate cut and the dollar dumps. Let's go take a look at the dollar. See if it's dumping. All right. So the dollar. I look at UUP, right? Actually, the dollar's up today. This right here is the dollar ETF, UUP. It's up. Okay, so it's not dumping. It's actually up today. So right here, dollar dumps, and now it's up. Okay, and now it's up. Period. So yeah, it dumped, but it fought back. You know, again, it's gonna finish bullish on today. Right there. I mean, there you go. I don't care what anybody says. This is the fact. Came down. It might have dumped when she made that post, but no, the dollar's rallying in the story. Like, that's it. Who's going to be the next crypto millionaire? Probably get it. Oh, shit. Yeah. Well, guess what? If it all goes like this, none of us are going to be a fucking crypto millionaire. Oh, and by the way, who's selling XRP? We got regulatory clarity. We got regulatory clarity over a year ago. What? XRP got regulatory clarity over a year ago. But I'm with you. Who the F is selling, right? Everybody's fucking selling. Everybody watching right now, you fucking selling, dude. Who the F K is selling, right? Motherfucker. Soon they will call us lucky. All these fucking quotes. Breaking. All eyes on XRP. Well, I don't really think all eyes are on XRP. It's actually down the most today. So I don't think all eyes are on XRP. I wish they were, man. XRP Avenger, I wish they were. Donald Trump's crypto address. But again, they're not. No, they're not. I understand we got to psych ourselves out, right? We've been dealing with this misery for so long. We got to psych ourselves out. You know, and the things I hear the most are how XRP have been leading Bitcoin. And yeah, that's true. Over the last 2 months, maybe 3 months, yes, XRP has been leading Bitcoin. I mean, just go look at this chart. 3 months. Bitcoin is down 8%. XRP's up 13%. So, yeah, I get it. Over the recent, XRP has been stronger than Bitcoin. And I mean, we know it's stronger than Ethereum. I mean, take a look at this damn chart, right? Straight up like a missile. But I don't think all eyes are on Bitcoin. BitBoy says XRP is about to rip. I mean, does that really mean anything? Does that really mean anything? That BitBoy says XRP is about to rip. Well, BitBoy, I hope you're right. I hope BitBoy is right. Even though we know in our hearts, we know XRPs. We know it's not going to rip, dude. I mean, we pray every day. We all come to the table, right? We wake up in the morning. We flip on our charts and we're just like, please, Please let XRP rip. And it hasn't. It never does, dude. It just disappoints. So BitBoy, I don't think that's going to happen. I don't think it's going to happen. How sure are you that holding 5,000 XRP will make you a million? Now it's 2025. XRP the wizard. You know, everybody was saying it was 2024. Now it's 2025. And then what? 2025 is going to be 2026. King XRP, boom! You can now pay for hotels in Dubai with XRP. That's not, well, it's massive. It's not massive. If it was massive, XRP might crack this high at least. Apparently, people don't care because at the end of the day, the charts reflect what's really going on. The market's down 12. S&P 500 down 12. Dollar up. Russell 2000 at least fall back a little bit. But nah. Johnny Lawrence. Imagine some people getting into XRP now and benefiting. Yeah, you know what? He's absolutely right. Imagine some people getting to XRP now and benefiting from the same game. That makes me sick. That makes me sick, but you are right. Damn. It's crazy. I mean, that does suck, right? We've went through this misery for like 7 years. People can get in right now and basically make the same.
And its properties are for better than all the rest.
This is why Ethereum dipped, right? Probably because that dude opened up his mouth. Markets go up now? Well, no. Well, I thought, what the hell? Yeah, Vitalik doesn't even know what he's saying, right? He has no fucking idea. All right, kind of coming down the stretch, man. Cardano hanging on by a mere thread today. Coinbase, yeah. Russell 2000 flat. S&P fighting for its life, down 13. Bitcoin down 200. We look like we're about to pop back below that 60K. Ethereum down 30. Can't get its head out its ass. Long ways to go. XRP. And the worst of the worst today, NVDA. Look at that. Getting a sell signal right now on NVIDIA. Is broken back below it. So anyway, that's just kind of the way that the motherfucking cookie crumbles. Cool. All right. That's what I got. See y'all back here tomorrow. Peace.